Top down analysis with the top dog. Let's get into it. We're looking at gold. It is currently Wednesday, July 15th, 10:30 p.m. Right. So 4 hour time frame. What do we have? Now, this is where we get where shit gets a little bit interesting because on the 4 hour time frame, we have a 4 hour order block right here. Boom. And let me actually just use a box. Oh my gosh, it didn't transfer over. Middle line, take this off. Okay, boom. And take this off as well too. So we have a order block on the 4 hour time frame that we just tapped into. Cool. Do I see anything else? No, I do not. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we have this 1 hour low right here that we should sweep. Actually lining up in the perfectly within the middle of the fucking order block, I believe. And yeah, so we have a 1 hour low right here. We also have a 1 hour order block right here. And for those of you guys that don't know, a 1 hour order block is a order block in general is pretty much, it's literally like supply and demand, like literally the exact same thing. It's pretty much the last closed candle before a big impulsive move. So this is an order block right here. This is an order block. This is an order block because he follows this big ass move. This is an order block, etc., etc. So an order block is the last candle before a big move in the opposing direction. Now we have marked out the low on the 1 hour time frame. What else do I see? There's not really much else. I can mark out this 1 hour order block, but it's like, do I really have to? I don't think I want to because it's gonna get too cluttered. 30-minute time frame, same low right here. 15-minute. Yeah, we have a nice low. I really want to wait for this low to get swept alongside with these levels of liquidity right here. Boom. And when that happens, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we will go down to the 1 minute time frame and wait for a reversal candlestick pattern. Something like this, right? So I'm gonna pause the video right here and I'm gonna come back when we have an update on what we want to do. All right, guys, so we swept the liquidity that I was talking about, as you can see. And now I'm waiting. Okay, so here's the thing, right? This is not the reversal candlestick pattern that I need in order to enter this trade. The middle candle has supposed to have the longest wick out of the two next to it. So it's supposed to be, for instance, something like this, but for bullish, for buys, right? Now, of course, price wants to shoot up that I don't want to enter the trade, right? But yeah, this would have been our entry had I had been impulsive. However, I don't want to do so. What I'll do is I'll set a limit order at the rejection. What is it? The box? Yeah. At the midpoint of this rejection block. Let me put the middle line right here. Boom. All right. Just in case price wants to come down and, give us a second shot at life. 1 unit. What is that? 13 out of 4. 1, 3. Well, 3 units. So if price comes back down and hits the midpoint, the consequent encroachment of this rejection block, then we are going to be entering the trade. And the ultimate draw, we're going to be taking out all these highs, right? So ideally, I want to see this high get taken out. This is low resistance liquidity right here. But we shall see what we get. And if I do get a better entry, or like an entry that I like if I get a change in state of delivery or a market structure shift, whatever I can find, and and I end up entering the trade before the limit gets hit, then I'll keep you guys posted on that. But yeah, look, as you can see, we're already up. We should have been in this trade, but it is what it is. I'll pause the video here. All right, guys. So we're actually in the trade right now. We had a 5-minute rejection block that I just scoped out and seen, marked it off, have my limit order set, and yeah, as you can see, the wick of this candle. Let me move this over so you guys can see a little better. This candle right here, you see this big ass wick? That is a rejection block, right? So now we had a reversal candlestick pattern off the 5-minute time frame. So I set my limit order at the middle of that area, and now we're targeting, some low resistance liquidity. We have here, up here, all that good stuff. So I'll probably go break even once we hit I think I'll go break even up here when we hit that. But let's see how this trade wants to play out. Let's see. Currently up $22. Yeah. 26. Yeah, man. So okay, we're pushing. We are pushing. So far, we are at a 1-to-1, I believe. Okay, here we go. Let me see something though. Because if this 5-minute candle closes bullish, then this isn't a high anymore. Then I'll put my break even at this level. But we gotta take that high first. And yeah, I'm trading during Asia session. So this is proof that you can get it in as long as the market permits. $78 off of 2 contracts. See the 1 minute. Not gonna lie, y'all, I'll probably go break even if we take out this high and form a candle. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just go break even because I'm not trying to lose any money. I'm a profitable trader, and this is what I have to do in order to cut any sort of losses. Like, I'm not losing any more money, bro. So this is already like a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward trade right here. So my stop loss is only $38, right? So yeah, guys, I'm gonna pause the video right here, and I'll be back with an update. All right, guys. So on the 1 minute time frame, we took out this high. Wait, I'm lying. We didn't take out this high yet, but I took off one contract, right? So I made about $60, and my stop loss at break even. But listen, yo, listen. This trade, what is this? So 1 to 4, bro. 1 to 395. 1 to 4 trade right here that we just caught. So if I had more contracts, it would have been a lot more money. But I'm not even worried about the money right now, bro, because once you develop the skill, then the money's always gonna follow. So I made about $60 off of just one contract. I'm gonna let this run to play out and see what happens. But PNL says 60. I see 60,000, bro. Like once the skill is there, the money is going to flow. So yeah, guys. Yeah, I just unpaused it to give you guys a little update, just in case you guys see that we have one contract now instead of two. So yeah, I'm gonna keep holding. Once again, we have this 5-minute high right here. We have another high up here, but I don't think price is gonna come all the way up here tonight. So I'll just take what I can. All right, guys, I'm about to close out. I gotta go to bed. I am fucking tired. And the thing about this is that like when it hits, because I took off a contract, it wouldn't let me modify the order. Just know I have to close out the trade. Anyways, yeah, we ultimately got a 1-to-5 trade, right? Which is insane. So let me close this out. $140. I really see 140K. That's what I see. So yeah, we got this.